These lights are all daylight balance. It's the light coming from the sun.
I got the camera. So I had the opportunity to speak at the Science and Technology meeting for the Chamber of Commerce.
These lights are all daylight balance. It's the light coming from the sun. Now what happens at sunset, as that sun drops down, the light gets more orange.
Everyone asked a bunch of great questions, and we had everyone from salespeople to photographers to makeup artists all in the room.
So white balance is cool and hot light, and you can control that with your camera.
They held the event at CBS News 12, where we got to tour the facility. We got to check out all the different studios, meet a bunch of the news anchors, shoot in the green screen room, and do a lot of fun things. We got to see the inner workings of everything that it takes to run a news station.
So thanks for watching. Special shout out to Alexa and the Chamber of the Palm Beaches. This is the Science and Technology Council. Thank you so much for watching. It's been great. Thank you for having me.
Oh, thank you for being here.
How did I do?
Fantastic.
Good,
oh,
good.
Lovely. Come join us. We have them every Thursday, the first Thursday of the month.
And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like and comment, and let us know if you have any questions or what else you want to see. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time.